Hello everybody, my name is Hunters World Gaming. Welcome to Park. I think I remember one game from the creator that made the cat and the dog all together. Those two games I played by him. If you want to check those videos out, please do. The links will be down in the description below. And welcome to another game by the creator of the cat and the dog called Park. About a pig, scary pig. It's pretty scary though, so we're gonna have to check this out, so here we go. Act 1. Okay, so this is gonna be a little bit similar to...
Welcome to the Pork Production Factory Employee Training video. We are very happy to have you here. Let's start. Step 1. Visit the production room. Step 2. Take one pork carcass and put it in the grinder.
Okay, that's what the narrator's gonna do.
Step 3. Take the pork. Step 4. Put the pork in the counter and repeat until all the pork carcass is gone. You are ready now to be a new employee for the Pork Production Factory.
Oh, okay. Alright, that's what the TV is trying to tell me to do? Alright then. Okay. Anyway, oh, look at I see the teardrop coming from the eye. Okay. Pretty much sad. Production room. Alright. Okay, there's a button here. Alright. Okay. Let me take this one and put it in the grinder. Okay. Yeah, we'll put it right here. There's 2 more left, so let me go get that. This looks like the same modeling of the inside of this factory here. I don't remember what that was called before. But yeah, I have to find one video that looks like this. Oh, okay. Put it in the machine grinder first. Hello? Okay. Leave the factory. Alright. Can I close the door? Okay. Alright. Whoa! Okay, key card won't work. Find another way out. Oh, okay. Okay, the vent. Somehow the vent is off. What the hell? Oh my god, what the fuck is going on? Why is there so much blood? I don't know. Alright. Oh god, yeah. Okay. That's what I call it. Find another way out. And there was a vent. And I predict there was a vent. And boom, there it is. Finding another way out, but crawling inside the vent. BOOM! Oh god. Act 2. Okay.
We are the Pork Production Factory and you should prefer us.
Already? The pig is coming. What the hell? Uh-oh. Oh, this could be bad. The ladder! Yeah! Oh god, that was not okay. Is this already the end now? There's music going on. I have no idea. Okay. Act 3. Act 3 it is. Okay. Oh! What? Holy shit! Uh-oh. What is that? Oh! E! Hey! Oh! Holy fuck! Hey! Come on! Oh fuck! 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 Yeah! Thank God! Oh god! god! Oh, shit. Oh, god. The pork. By Winnabees. Yeah, right. Okay, this is 3 acts. But I want to see if he attacks me. Oh, it was sizzling, holy
Welcome
shit.
to the Pork Production Factory Employee Training video. We're very happy to have you here. Let's start. Step 1. Visit the production room. Step 2.
I want to see what happens if I go to other places now.
Step 3.
Yeah,
Take the pork.
in Act 2
Step
or
4.
Act 3.
Put the pork in the counter and repeat until all the pork carcass is gone. You are ready now to be a new employee for
Yeah,
the
there's
Pork
no way to
Production
skip a
Factory.
cutscene or actually go to Act 2 right away. But I guess you're gonna have to do all of this again, apparently. Anyway, just put the key card in. And we should actually grind up some pork right here. Alright. Okay, now we put it... Oh, okay, you can't get that one right away. You have to put one pork at a time first. Then you get another. Okay. I thought I'd do it like a speed run on it, but no. I guess not. Oh, okay. I guess the blood were there this whole time. Pretty much, yeah, I guess the blood was there this whole time. Guess nothing happened. Ugh. Ugh. Alright. Okay. Alright. Now we go back into the vent. That's where we're going. Alright. The vent. I know on my right. There's a death trap. So here we go. Alright. Speak of the devil. Found it. Okay. Act 2.
We are the Pork Production Factory and you should prefer us.
Prefer us what? I don't know. Alright, here we go. I want to see the other rooms. What the? Oh, shit! Oh, hi! Hi, how are you doing? Hey! Hey, mister! What? Oh. Okay. That wasn't nice at all. Oh my fucking god. That was actually a bit freaky now. Oh my god. Okay, I want to see if he attacks me in Act 3. Oh my god, that'd be a lot more freakier than the Act 2. Alright, Act 3. We'll see if I get the gun and he attacks me. Oh, I forgot about this, Flash. God, it scared me. Hello, Mr. Piggy Guy. Oh, hey, do you want some taste of a pork chop? Ah! Oh, why is there an eye the teardrop like from the production factory? Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, okay, there's my trapdoor. Hi, bro, hi, how are you doing? Hi, hey, mister, hi, what, are you blind or something? You couldn't even find where I am? Oh my god, yeah, you could barely find me that easily. Oh shit, oh, brother! Oh god. Okay, oh shit. Rada! What is going on with this? I don't know. I want to see what the flashes are. Maybe I can actually remember from the start. Maybe they're real life pigs, and the rest of them are like for the production factory. That's what the flashes are. This is just so funny. Oh my god, okay. Ooh. Okay, now we'll just end this off. Oh my god. Alright, that was it. That was really great. That was Pork. A really funny-ass game by Winnebees, the creator of The Cat and the Dog. So anyway, guys, if you enjoyed the video, that was support. Don't forget to leave us a like, stay 100% cooler, and be ready for the real action. And if you want to follow me on Twitch, follow me there so that way we can build more community there. And as always, guys, we'll see you guys in the next new video. Join the real action, leave a like, and everything else. As always, goodbye everyone.